Chainsaw Man is fucking awesome. You can just tell how much Mappa loved working on this by the amount of detail, not only in the animation, but literally everything. There's no wasted camera angles or shots. They have scenes that aren't even in the manga. Yeah, you see that aesthetic as fuck scene where Aki's doing his morning routine? Wasn't in the manga. The slow moments aren't there to fill the runtime, they're there to allow you to take everything in. And if you haven't seen Chainsaw Man already, trust me, there's a lot to take in. They literally have 12 different endings! The last time I saw this much care for a show was with Studio Trigger making Cyberpunk Edgerunners, which I also recommend, by the way.